Want to manifest money? I got this wonderful visualization or meditation, call it whatever you want, something to help you get what you want. And it's going to be an ultimate one, and you'll never have to listen to anything else again. Listen to it on repeat if you like. Do it every day until you're fed up with it, because that's exactly the point when your subconscious mind is fine and doesn't need it anymore, is saturated. And enjoy it, have fun with it, but mainly, please be safe. Only do it when you're sitting or lying down, uh, because I'll ask you to close your eyes and start imagining everything I'm gonna say now. You have so much money, so much money. You don't know what to do with it. You're rolling naked in it. You can buy any car, any sports car, any airplane, any yacht, any house, any meal, any holidays. You can buy anything. And you can buy it now because you already have the money. You already are a multimillionaire. And the money just keeps coming. There's nothing you can do. You can't even stop it. It just comes from left, right, center. Every time you look at your bank account, there is more. And because you know there's always more, you stop checking the bank account because it's getting boring now. Checking how much you have is so boring that you don't care anymore, because you will know that you can buy anything you like. New dress, new suit, new boots, new shoes, new coat, new handbag, new sunglasses, any price, it doesn't matter. You already have it what you want. And it doesn't matter how you acquire it. It can be through lotteries, through business, through inheritance, through gifts, winning it. It doesn't matter because it just comes from all directions. And it makes you happy because you can have all the experiences you ever wanted. You get to see all the countries you wanted to go to. You get to do all the sports you wanted to do. You want to see beautiful architecture, you can go and see it. That's, before lunch. For lunch, you fly to Paris to have a wonderful meal in Eiffel Tower. Later on, you fly to Las Vegas to have fun. Then you fly to San Francisco for the opera. You can do anything you want, whatever your heart desire. And it's so much fun. You're having so much fun. This is so brilliant. And you're happy. Your friends are happy. Your family is happy. Everything is working out for you. You finally realize that you always get what you want and everything always works out for you. You're just so relaxed and you don't care anymore. You've done it. There's nothing to care about. You already have it. You don't need to try. You don't need to struggle. You don't need to hustle. You don't need to grind. You just can live and breathe and be happy and know that there is always more coming. And it doesn't matter where from. Who cares? And you know now that the money is literally lying on the street. And you're so excited about getting more. Not because you need more, but because it's just fun. It is so much fun. And then you remember how difficult it used to be, how much you struggled, how unpleasant it used to be to think about paying rent and paying mortgage and paying for new car and paying for school and education, and you're so overwhelmed, and now it's just so easy. You say what you want, you get it instantly, like a miracle. You have your own genie. You have your own genie. You just say what you want and it happens basically instantly. Oh my God, and the food and the clean, nice, wonderful food you can afford, and you can go to any restaurant 3 times a day. You're that rich. You can do whatever you want. And the beautiful flowers in your house and the gorgeous house and all the cleaners and people who take care of it, and Michelin star chef just at your disposal. And when you wake up in the morning, there is a masseuse, and after masseuse, it's a hairdresser, and then it's a stylist, and you walk out looking $1 billion. And you feel so good about yourself. And you feel so good about your life. And you love your mindset, you love your beliefs, you love who you are, because you are the best version of yourself. You are the person you always wanted to be. It happened, it's already done. You are it. It already exists. How beautiful is that? How fabulous is that? That you get to have everything you want. You get to be the best version of yourself. Oh my God, so amazing. And you love yourself, and you know you're supported. You're supported by others. You're supported by universe. You're supported by yourself. How amazing. And everything just flows to you at the speed of light, out of nowhere. Surprises and miracles every day, several times a day. And you're just like, how did I miss that? How did I not do that before? This is so easy. I literally just say what I want and it comes to me. I don't even need to do much, if anything. And I manifest wonderful sunshine and boats and swimming in beautiful color water. And I relax, have the drinks I want. How amazing is that? And you having all of that at a snap of fingers. That's how fast it comes to you. And you don't care about how many businesses you have. You don't care how many times you win a lottery. You don't care. You get inspired, you do it, and it happens. You get inspired to buy a lottery ticket, you buy it, you win. You get inspired to start another business. It's a winner. You're so lucky. Oh, but luck doesn't exist. You're manifesting it because you are in the sweet spot of not caring, yet having everything, not needing anything, yet getting everything you want. You found the spot, didn't you? How awesome. Congratulations, you're doing so amazingly. I'm so happy for you. And there's more to come. And you can have the Ferrari in every color imaginable if you want. And you can help lots of people, and you can employ lots of people. So you're feeding lots of families. You're a good person. Did you just realize that you're a really good person because you're rich and you're sharing your money with people who work for you and they can feed their children? How amazing. It didn't always used to be like that, but you're so strong and so determined and so disciplined that you learn how to manage energies, you learned how to manage your brain, you learned how to manage your thoughts, and here we go. You have everything you ever dreamt of. And it's so easy. You're constantly shocked how easy it is to get what you want. And it literally is just write it down or say it or think it, and it comes flying to you. The synchronicities are amazing. The numbers you're surrounded by are amazing. They're just such fun. And people are lovely to you. They wish you well. They know you're a good person. You realize you have nothing to prove. You don't need validation. You don't need anyone to like you or love you because you love yourself and that's everything. And because you are like that, you get everything. You get respect, you get love, you get money, you get success. How beautiful is it to have success? Used to be such a struggle, and now it's just ridiculously easy. Oh, I just saw that more money arrived on your bank account. Wow. Oh, hang on, more. Oh, wow. Every other second there's more coming on your bank account. Wow, so impressive. I'm so impressed with you. I hope you're impressed with yourself because you got this. You're 1 in 1 million or 100 million. You're that good at manifesting. And it only came to you because you realized who you are. You stopped being needy. You stopped being desperate. You started loving yourself. You got amazing JR style self-confidence. And that's where everything turned around. You did literal 180. And it's brilliant. I'm so happy for you. You must be thrilled. Are you proud of yourself? You should be. Because you're rare. You're so rare. And you have all the opportunities to improve life on this planet. You have all the opportunities to help other people. You have all the opportunities to educate other people about how you've done this and help them to do the same. So you're living very, very fulfilled, happy, meaningful life. I just hope that occasionally you thank to the people who helped you, and you thank to the universe, and mainly you thank yourself. And now you can open your eyes and feel good about your life, knowing that everything's working out. You already have everything you ever wanted. And when circumstances get funny with you, you don't care. And you can listen to this meditation or visualization or whatever you want to call it again and feel good about yourself and your life. Thank you for listening. I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.